Hello, fellow testing enthusiasts. My name is Anne, a QA engineer from the Netherlands dedicated to reduce food waste worldwide at the startup Choco in Berlin. Ever struggled with bug management? Ping-ponging bugs between teams to find out where they belong? Are you ready to leverage AI beyond test case or data generation? Join me as I take you behind the scenes of two AI hackathons at Choco, where we apply different forms of AI like OpenAI API and embeddings and automation tools like Slack and Zapier to streamline our bug management process. I will also share practical tips and insights when participating in hackathons or short projects, ensuring you make the most out of your skills and resources. So, whether you're a tester, developer, or manager, or just AI curious, it is applicable to everyone and every flow. Are you ready to revolutionize your workflow? Come and see how we do it at Choco. Can't wait to see you there.